Hey everyone, it's Teresa here with Prairie Road Organic Seed. I am harvesting seed of French sorrel this morning. It's about 11:30 in the morning and it's getting warm, it's heating up. All the dew has left for the morning, so the seed's nice and dry. Wanted to show you this wonderful crop because I think it's very underutilized. We do have some perennial crops in our offerings, namely asparagus, Dakota winter onions, but there's not a lot in terms of plants that you can grow in a perennial bed and expect it to just come back every year. So I planted French sorrel 2 years ago because I knew that it had potential as a perennial crop, and I wanted to see how well this crop would overwinter here in North Dakota. I planted it on our farmstead, and so it's in a bed that to the northwest is wide open. This does get some snow cover in through here, but it's also a very wind-blown, hard-hit area. If we have a good thaw in the spring and a lot of the snow melts, this gets exposed. Then when the wind blows, that exposure will seriously challenge anything that's perennial that you hope will come back the following year. I'm thrilled to say that French sorrel has done really, really well. Now, some of it is that it is reseeding itself in this bed because I've let it go to seed and just let the seed drop. I did harvest some seed last year, enough to start another bed. But I'm harvesting the seed this year so that I can actually put this into packets for all of you so you can expand your perennial garden space. So we've had some very extreme heat this summer, as many parts of the country have had. Despite that, you have these wonderfully succulent leaves that you can still find here in this bed. It's so fun to go through here, and even though the plant has gone to seed, and usually there's nothing harvestable when plants go to seed in terms of salad greens, you can still find these wonderful leaves. Here's a plant that hasn't gone to seed yet. You can see how wonderful these leaves are. Still putting out harvestable leaves, and it's the first week of August. So this plant here, I think, has enormous potential to be a staple food crop for you. And I think it's highly underutilized at this point. Not only does it offer harvestable greens in spite of heat and drought, it also is perennial. And so it'll come back year after year. We have extreme winters here, and yet this plant will overwinter even in the harshest conditions here in North Dakota. So put this on your radar. I'm in the process of developing the packet now, and we hope to add it to our offerings yet this fall. I'm so excited to offer this to you and to expand your thinking about what could go in your salad bowl and tickle your palate with the wonderful lemony tang of French sorrel. We'll see you again soon, and stay tuned. Please like and subscribe so you'll be the first to know. Bye-bye for now.